We have facilities, 8 different office locations over 3 states. A lot of the equipment we manage are movables. We have a large fleet of vehicles, a large fleet of boats, utility vehicles, and a large amount of specialized survey equipment in each of those that we track and maintain. One of the cool things about eMaint is we were able to set up an API between our accounting software and eMaint. And that's been really great because now our contacts are automatically updated. As soon as we hire somebody and they become in our accounting system, that automatically gets pushed over to eMaint. So when I need to assign equipment to somebody, I don't have to go in separately and set up a contact. It's already there, I can assign it. And it gives me a good history of who had that equipment last, where did it go, and so we can kind of track it down a little bit better. eMaint has worked great hand in hand with our GPS tracking software. I actually now have the GPS tracking software companies provided us with very small asset tags that we're able to put on some of our higher dollar equipment. So with eMaint, we have all the details listed on the equipment. And with the asset tag, I can look on the screen and see exactly where it's at. I would definitely recommend eMaint for fleet management. It is completely customizable. It can fit any need you have, and you can use it for not just fleet management, but other asset management as well. You can have multiple templates that make sense for a vehicle, say, another template that makes more sense for a boat, and another form that makes more sense for an asset. It can be completely customizable. The amount of reports you can run, I don't know of a report you can't run in eMaint. So I would definitely recommend eMaint. The easy use, customer support's always great. So eMaint's definitely something I would recommend.